This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Julenn Keeling. Great condo-style townhome. Features an open-concept floor plan, beautiful custom kitchen cabinets, West/granite countertops, and custom backsplash first-floor primary bedroom suite. Primary bath features double vanity, separate tub and shower, and dual large walk-in closets. Upstairs has 3 large bedrooms, each featuring large walk-in closets. End unit West/attached garage. Great location close to all of the Williamsburg's amenities. Property sold as is and priced accordingly. Don't miss this great opportunity to call this one home. For more information, review the details below.